ॲक्सिडेंट बरेच वाडल्यात, तरणाट्यांची बेशिस्त वाडल्या। तरणाटे लायसना नासतना मोटरसायकली चलयतात, ताका लागून येरादारी खात्यान स्कुलां, हायर सेकंडरींनी अकस्मात वचून पळोवणी करपाचें थारायलां। लायसन नासतना मोटरसायकल चलयतना कोणूय मेळ्ळो जाल्यार फायन पडटलीच, तशेंच मोटरसायकलीच्या पात्रांवा आड गुन्यांव नोंद करतले, अशें येरादारी संचालकान सांगलें।
Increased road accidents and particularly involving two-wheelers, the department has decided to increase enforcement activity with a special drive regarding use of two-wheelers, and that too particularly in schools and colleges. Student or an individual who drives a motor vehicle, rather a two-wheeler, carries a valid license at the first place. Number two, does not involve himself into rash and negligent driving, driving with two-pillion riders, and doing acrobatics. Would start right from tomorrow. The owner of the vehicle will be penalized, number one, and if it is provided by the parents or anybody for that matter, I would really like to make a test case, by filing a charge sheet against the person who provides it.
गोंयांतल्या आदिवासी लोकांक अटल आसरा येवजणेचो आदार सोंपेपणान मेळचो म्हणून गोंय सरकारान कांय म्हत्वाचे बदल केल्यात। मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकारान मंगळारा शार आनी नगर नियोजन खात्याच्या कचेरेंत मुखेल शार नियोजका कडेन चर्चा केली। आदिवासी लोकांक अटल आसरा येवजणे खाला लाव मेळचो म्हूण चर्चा करून 11 धोरणात्मक बदल केल्यात।
मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार आनी मुखेल शार नियोजकाची अटल आसरा येवजणेचेर बसका जाली। सारकी सेटबॅक एरिया, एक्सेस, सेटलमेंट झोना भायर आशिल्लीं घरां असल्या गजालींक लागून आदिवासी लोकांक येवजणेचो फायदो जायनाशिल्लो। ताका लागून सरकारान येवजणेंत कांय बदल केल्यात।
ट्रायबल हाजे खातीर अटल आसरा योजना स्मूथली वचूंक जाय म्हणून वी आर गिविंग सम स्मॉल कन्सेशन्स टू द लिमिटेड ट्रायबल एरियाज.
Most of these houses which are going for renovation and repair, access of 6 meter or 3 meter may be a problem because they are basically tribal settlements, and there could be a problem of setbacks to an existing house, because if you see the tribal things are a cluster. They must have developed in the past without maintaining any setback, but we wanted to give relaxations to that extent, except in case of reconstructions. In case of new constructions, NOC can be given by the department. Without an NOC, without a conversion sanad, because the process of conversion sanad and getting ownership documents and many other things for tribal settlements may be a very difficult task. So government wants to give a relaxation on this by making a policy.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार।
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव।